This one goes out to your favorite rapper that don't know shit. Let me show you how to do it. Let me
tell you something about G's if it's very imprecise. A fellow rapper that's weak and primary in his lines. Lacking the skill, thinking vocabulary will suffice. Feeble in everything he writes, so I feel like I bury him tonight. Brainwashing fans with his flow. They watch the man as he glows and say what he can to be dope. He's spitting a lot of words, but it ain't nothing clever at all. Analyze his rap lines, it may just be an accurate boast. No fucking cap, just another cocky jock at best that doesn't possess the skill to send shots at the rappers or block attacks. Deliveries all over the place, you need a mop for that. Sloppy faggot who suck as much as an infant on his mama's breast. Anyway, you better not claim whatever you thought he could take. The sun is returning, the weather has changed, so I guess it never gonna rain. Stick to just keeping the folks entertained. Instead you'll be dissing the common mistakes. Luck was the only thing that caused it to blow up prematurely like a faulty grenade. Hey, you'd find and see my work is epic if you took time to analyze the lines and peek at the verses setups. The peeps that recognize defeats and worth the challenge. Cause I'm out of this world, so see me inside of a ring like certain planets. I feel it coming, your fans ain't gonna wait until I'm done. I have an eerie hunch, they call this shit a sheer publicity stunt. But fuck that, so here's a punch. Minus the cats because I don't need a gun. I'ma kill the bunch with more words like I'm Silver Tongue. That's Doom Patrol in your ass, just switch adversary. Refer to me, even if you haven't heard of me killing verbally. Preferably, wordsmith is what you call yourself, it's sure funny. When you're on the scale, it's setting up certain letters and reversing it. Soon to be K.O.N.E. These rappers are K.O.N.E. If they come with the whole Northeast itself, I K.O.N.E. And you said you're the best and the number one here, up K.O.N.E. But the zero before you is gonna speak volumes on how I K.O.N.E.
Let's go.
Your fans are provoked every time we say that the fact that you're back at the most. Thinking they're actually dope when the rap is a load of alphabetical jokes. Ineffective cover up that we can all see through like Harry's magical cloak. Expected a dope response, but you're always coming up short like an acronym, bro. So y'all wanna rumble, it's fast, murdering cats with verbal attacks. Bodying rappers, I said it is happening, bodies back and body bags. No longer rappers as we throw punchlines and a bunch of facts that are never gonna make the cut, even if they started out fresh as lumberjacks. Not a brag, but I got forefathers, they cut and slash. So I'm gonna add another dead MC among the stash. Seemingly we share bloodlines of headhunters, a funny fact. Cause craving blowjobs only time you Sean calls hunt for heads.
Yeah. It's only fair that I do it like y'all. Let's get it on. Better bring the coffin in. Got a whole lot to say. Get ready.
Y'all keeping distance, MCs going off. Keeping silly MCs low enough. Minus the MV, show me love. See for yourself as an each blowing up. Spastic growing up, rap treated like that shit's my only job. Before I'm buried, I'm very confident I leave several marks in it. The rap scene, Tony Stark. No black pink on his bars, but y'all gotta chill at his ice cream. Ink up on the heels I was hiding, repping my state, better feel proud of my dreams now. I wasn't ill enough to rock no boat. Rappers were killed in it, they got their own shows. When I was skills, it is about those blokes, and they got it like steel butters, they got no flow. Your diss track is flawed, I'm sorry. It's a miracle that your peeps be supporting. No switching of flows, it sucked like a black hole and the whole lyrics are boring. Cuff you up with brain cells to hold thee, but it seems we're all still pretty sure. If you fuck with us the Northeast, we'll see you running out of bars like your shishibatory. No constipation, my shit is hard and equally dope. Sicker than a victim of COVID mixed with Ebola. If you pose a threat, I'm John Wick to your blow. We ain't gotta debate, y'all ain't fit to be coned. Observe the statement, I'm the kid on the throne. Johnny Blaze in this bitch, that's a whole different way of saying that I'm lit to the bone. I'm sick of this whack, now I do thinking he could kill bitch with his rap. Genius laughing at his craft, never thinking of dissing him back. Compared himself to Thor, bro, the thunderous Norse god. Complete with his axe, but the god of thunder will still find me shocking. Just like the chip on his neck, even in death, I'd still be lit like deceased chains. Rip mic and spit flames, might repeat if it survived the heat wave. And let it happen again just like a replay. I have seen this niggas rhymeless, this punchlines of wicked ghost riders BK. Looking at us all but foolish and getting involved, pussies getting bored like getting a vagina clean shaved. So let the ambulance stop by, the block I'm showing handful of dumb guys. I stop sign cause we having enough nines on the grind. Fuck another young gun, they can't even pop right. Top 5 for the wax, put them up high. Bars dry like the Drango, the stockpile. Count them in among rappers that suck like Dracula's bloodlines. Y'all better stay in your lane and shut the F up. There's a lot more where that came from. That's just the opening act. Heads up.